If people are watching your Tango live but they're not sending gifts to you, then you are definitely doing something wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you simple tricks you can actually follow in order to get more gifts on your Tango live, even if you are new to Tango. Getting gifts on Tango live is not by luck. It actually depends on how consistent you are, how you act on your live stream, and how you talk on your live stream. This is what is going to determine if you are going to get more gifts on your live stream. So I'm going to be giving you a few tricks you can actually follow. Now the first one is for you to fix your profile. So right here is my Tango live. So at the top right corner, at the top left corner of your screen, you can see your profile icon right there. When you click on it, you're going to see this. So you just need to go ahead and expand your profile like this. So right here at the top right corner, you can see the pen icon. If you click on that, so looking right here is my profile, and I can now edit my profile. You need to understand that people cannot send gifts to empty profiles. So you need to upload a clear image that clearly describes you, a name, and then looking here where you can see about, you need to add about you. Make it very short, add a very short bio. Then go ahead and click on OK. Now with this, you are going to be able to attract more people to your live stream by just simply uploading your profile. The second way you can actually get more gifts on your live stream is the way you talk on your live stream. So in order for you to go live, looking there at the bottom of the screen here, you can see the video icon. If you click on that like this, you're going to see the option of go live at the bottom here. So you can actually click on that and you are going to be able to go live. So while you are on your live stream, how you talk on your live stream actually matters. On your live stream, you need to be calling out the names of your viewers. Talk to your viewers, call their name. Now, people actually feel important when you call their name, especially on live streams. It makes them to feel important, and they are going to probably send you gifts on your live stream just because you are calling out their name on your live stream. So it's that simple. So you can be saying something like this, for example, thank you Chima for joining, thank you Samson for joining, thank you Daniel for joining. That is actually going to make people to know that you value them, and they're going to probably send for you gifts on your live stream. The next way you can actually get more gifts on your live stream when you are live streaming on Tango is to ask for gifts. I'm not saying you should start begging for gifts on your live stream. In order for you to actually get more gifts on Tango, you need to ask for gifts. You don't need to beg for gifts. You can say something like this instead. If you enjoyed the live, you can support with a gift. You can say something like that. If you enjoyed the live, you can support with a gift, and they're going to probably support you with a gift if they are enjoying your live. So you need to make your live to be enjoyable. You need to be polite on your live stream, and you don't need to sound too desperate. So another way you can get more gifts on Tango live is by joining battles. Now you're going to see many people doing battles on Tango live, so you just need to join them and participate in their battles. With that way, you'd be able to earn and get more gifts on Tango live. With that way, you'd be able to earn and get more gifts on Tango live. Another way you can earn as well is to give your viewers a reason to gift you. So while you are live streaming on Tango live, you need to give them a reason to gift you. You can say something like this: if you gift me, I'm going to sing for you. If you gift me, I'm going to shout out your name. You can tell viewers something like this. So you need to give them a reason to gift you. You don't need to just start begging them for gifts. Tell them a reason and give them a reason to gift you. You can tell them that if they gift you, that you are going to dance for 10 seconds. And whenever they gift you, you dance for 10 seconds. That is actually going to make your life to be more engaging, and you'd be able to get more gifts on your Tango live. So another way you can get more gifts on your Tango live is by simply going live at the right time. Now, most time, if you are going live in the morning, you won't be able to get more viewers on your live stream. So the best time to actually go live on Tango is in the evening or late in the night. That is when people must have been done with their school or work, and they are now at home feeling relaxed and looking for a way to entertain themselves. So in the evening or late in the night, that is actually the best time to go live on Tango. Another way you can get more gifts is by joining agency. You can join an agency if you have a code or you have someone who referred you to Tango. So let's say this is your Tango live app like this. At the top left corner, you can see your profile. So right here, if you click on accounts like this and scroll, you're going to see join an agency. So if you click on that, you're going to see enter code. So you definitely need a code in order for you to join an agency. But joining an agency is actually free. Nobody should charge you for joining an agency. It is actually free. Joining an agency is actually going to help you to grow faster and also give you tips on how to earn more on Tango. So the mistake you should avoid is to stay silent on your live stream. There are some people that actually go live on Tango Live and they will just stay silent doing nothing. Staying silent is not actually going to help you to get more gifts. So you don't need to stay silent on your live stream. You don't need to ignore your viewers. Entertain your viewers, shout out their name, make them know they are important. Call out their name. Don't ignore your viewers and don't end your live too early. Not when you just go live because you're not seeing gifts, you just end the live. Don't end your live too early and don't break Tango Live rules. So you should understand as well that people actually send gifts when they like you and trust you. So you need to be real as real. You need to be very real and you need to be active and also you need to be patient. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Tell me in the comment section, just comment Tango if you want more Tango tutorials and I'm going to make more for you guys. See you in the next one.